our channel!
Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Fandom NY here, and once again this is Cheland, and
my name is Eileen.
And for today's video, we're gonna show you how to make a huge balloon marquee for Valentine's. Alright?
Yes guys.
And we will show you the materials.
Okay guys, so these are the materials that we need for this project. We have the silver chrome, 11 inches, Qualatex White, 11 inches. There's red Qualatex, it's 16 and 5 inches. And we have some foil heart balloons. And we also have this huge one here that says I love you. Our two best friends here, balloon glue dots and fish line. Yeah, and we also need the balloon pump.
We're ready to inflate this, and this is 16 inches. We will inflate this to 11 inches. This would be our base. Okay, we'll put that on the side. And now we're ready to inflate our silver balloon here. This is 11 inches. We will inflate this to 9 inches. Then you will need your balloon weight. We'll put it on here. I will use our fish line. Tie your fish line right here with your balloon. And then you will put this on the second. This will be the second layer. Push a little and then you wrap down the red one. Pull a little, just like that. You do it again. It's nice and secure. So now we're ready to inflate our balloon white here. This is 11 inches again. This is 11 inches round. We will inflate this to 7 inches. There you go. With your fish line right here. It's time to inflate this big balloon. Alright, so I'll be using 260Q white. We will put it right here and just fold your tip right here with your balloon 260Q. And then you tie this. Now this is what we're gonna use to attach this here. So we'll add another one in the center right here. This is gonna be the one holding our balloon. So put this in the center, grabbing one of the tip here of your balloon, just tie it. So you use your 260Q, you put it here. So I'm gonna use 5 inches red round. I'll use the pump for this one so it's stronger. Then we'll put it here. So that way it support your heart. It's not gonna tip over the front side. So with that, I'm gonna use our balloon glue dots. And another tip, you want to hide this like that. So I'll just use tape or balloon glue dots. So again, I'm gonna use balloon glue dots. So now we're ready to do our rose right here. It'll be with silver. So 260Q, you stretch this. And by the way guys, we have a full video on this one. If you wanna watch this, it'll be right here. And there goes your rose. So now we'll put the stem right here, green, 260Q. And we will put this here. See the tip of your 260Q from your rose. You make sure it's nice and tight. And there goes your rose. Alright guys, so we're ready to attach the bouquet. So just like this, I already made this. So I'm gonna show you how I made it like this. So I attach them all like that, okay? And then I will pinch this here. So again, I'm gonna connect this with our balloon glue dots. Ready to put our word love. It's gonna be here. And now it's finally done! I hope you like this video, and if you do, please give us a thumbs up and share. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do. And again, this is Pambam, Chelan here.
And my name is Eileen. From all of us, from Pambam and Wine, we would like to say thank you guys so much to all of you.
And we'll see you guys in our next video. Thank you.
Thank you guys. Bye.
Bye.